Well, I've been in politics for many years, and but I've also been working at my career. I did not make politics my full career because I think it shouldn't be. Everybody should have some sort of political involvement. But the truth is that you believe you can move mountains and you can do so much. All you have to do is be part of the system. But when you get into the system, then you realize that the challenges are immense. And we have a long way to go to get us to politically to where Nigeria should be, or even economically. There's just so much to be done, and with very few people with the political will to want to do it. The challenges are many, but I'm hoping that for the young people that are coming behind me, some of us who are already in the forefront can make things slightly easier. Some of the challenges are one, it is believed that women are not real politicians. They are not, it's only a woman, Josh, it's not an important person. So that is and that women don't have capacity, women are not supposed to be leaders, things like that. And even through the process, you have all these challenges. Even when you beat a man, they would rather find a way to give it to him instead of you, even when he is less capable than you. Then even after you win and you get to wherever it is you're supposed to be, Senate or wherever, you're still faced with the challenge of constantly being disregarded because you're female. Somebody just focusing on your looks rather than your capacity. So it's endless. But I believe that women supporting women, we will slowly build momentum.